Hello students. This video will provide an overview of the McGraw-Hill website. We'll use this site for our textbook and some important assignments we'll be doing throughout the semester. So this session will be an overview of the website and how to navigate it, and will provide some more information about how to use the McGraw-Hill product. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need to register for your textbook. You can see that this is the 0.3 activity on your dashboard. In order to register for your textbook, you will need to check your Full Sail email address. You should have received an email regarding the McGraw-Hill book code. This will probably have been emailed to you before the course began, so check for an email that was sent out at the end of August. If you did not receive a code or cannot find the code in your email inbox, you will need to contact FSO support for more assistance. Please note that your instructor does not have information about the book codes and cannot provide this information to you. So if you didn't receive your code, please contact FSO support. And remember, for faster assistance, it's usually best to give FSO support a phone call. Once you've found your ebook code in your inbox, you can then go to the McGraw-Hill website. Your instructor will provide you a URL in the McGraw-Hill Connect and textbook registration. You should go to that URL, enter your ebook code, and then you'll be able to register for that specific course site. It's very essential that you do this early in week 1, and you are required to do this by September 4th, which is a Thursday. Here's what the McGraw-Hill website is going to look like when you register for the course and access the section that your instructor has set up for you. Now your instructor has added some assignments here for you to complete, as well as some reading assignments. As you can see, the assignments you need to complete are located at the top of your assignment list, and your reading assignments are located at the bottom. So for week 1, you are required to complete all of these readings that are listed. All you need to do is click on the link, and it will take you to a section in the textbook that you can read. Now, your instructor isn't going to give you a grade for the reading. You're just required to do it, and the reading is going to help you out on your assignment. So it is important that you do complete all of the reading for that week. So the reading is divided up based on the week, and it is important to just click on the week that it is. Do not click just on the textbook here, because that is going to take you to the entire textbook, and it will be very confusing to see what you need to read for that week. So make sure that you have assignments selected so that you only see what your instructor is requiring you to complete for that week. So besides the reading assignments, you have several assignments that you will be graded on in McGraw-Hill. These include the Learn, Smart, Achieve modules. You'll have at least one module to complete per week. So in week 1, you will need to complete the reasoning and argument by Friday of week 1. For week 2, you have 2 different modules. You'll need to complete both of these modules by Friday of week 2. Week 3, you'll have one module to complete, and you'll need to complete this by Friday of week 3. Week 4, you do have 2 modules to complete. So style and word choice will be due on Friday of week 4. Grammar and mechanics will be due on Sunday of week 4. So you have a little bit of extra time with the grammar and mechanics module. Now these assignments are in total worth 10% of your grade. So, for example, grammar and mechanics is going to be worth 2%. Week 1 reasoning and argument is worth 2%. Week 2A writing process is worth only 1%. Also, week 2B is worth 1%. week 3 is 2%, and week 4 is 2%. So this is a total of 10% of your grade. Now you're graded on these modules by how much of the module you complete. So if you complete 100% of the module, you'll get a 100 for that assignment. If you only complete 50% of it, your grade will be a 50. So it really is important that you invest the time to complete these assignments completely. They will take about 45 minutes to an hour, and this is going to depend on how quickly you go through each module. Here's an overview of how it works. You're basically going to set up a study plan, and this plan is going to be for a couple of hours a week, and so you need to commit to at least 2 to 3 hours per week of doing these modules. Each module is going to contain a short diagnostic that's going to measure your abilities for that activity or for those components that are in the module. You'll be given a short study session, and then you'll have a practice session. So based on how much of all of those elements you complete is what your grade will be on this assignment. It's really important to answer the questions carefully. So if you get a correct answer, that means you'll spend less time in that module. If you answer incorrectly, you'll be spending more time on the module. And again, your grade is going to be whatever percentage of that module you have completed. In addition, you are required to complete a short assessment activity. This is going to really help your instructor to improve the course in the future. So your assistance is really greatly appreciated. All you need to do is click on assessment, and you're going to be taken to a very short activity that you need to complete. So let's go ahead and click on assessment again. All you need to do is type your name and email address in the box provided. And we would like you to do this by Sunday of week 1. So this is really short, and all you have to do is type your name and your email address and then click submit. So that's it for McGraw-Hill. Remember, if you have any questions about McGraw-Hill, you can contact your instructor. And also remember, if you don't have your ebook code, please contact FSO support. Take care.